Welcome to the Easy Computer Fixes channel, and this is a quick video talking about a security flaw in Windows 10 that was discovered this week by a Twitter user called Sandbox Escaper. Basically, this is a security flaw that was disclosed and you didn't tell Microsoft about it. So that means that now the bad guys know. How bad is it, and how can you protect yourself? Well, it's very simple. Okay, there's good news and bad news in here. The bad news, well, the hackers now know about it, and the user, actually Sandbox Escaper, even posted a video demonstrating how to take advantage of this. The good news is that it's not immediately a danger for most people. If you're careful with what you do on the internet, you're not at risk because it requires an entry into the computer. So that's why it's called a local privilege escalation. You need to have access to the computer. Not necessarily physically, but you need to have at least another malware that actually gives an entry point to the PC in order for this to be able to work. So if you're careful, you're not going to be screwed. You're going to be okay. So at least that's the thing. What version of Windows? Well, right now that demonstration is on Windows 10, 32 bits. But it's believed that by modifying slightly, Windows 10 64 bits and all versions of Windows up to Windows XP are probably exploitable for this security flaw. And this security flaw is exploitable through the task scheduler. So that's pretty much what we know about this. And when will a fix arrive? We don't know. Microsoft hasn't said anything about it. It's keeping quiet, as usual with most of these security flaws. So there could be an out of cycle patch if it's really bad, but if it's not that serious, in this case it's really something that needs to be, you gotta already have a vulnerability in order for this to actually be exploited on your machine. So I would say that basically the chances of an out-of-cycle patch is not that high. They're probably going to patch this mid-June and the next patch Tuesday. So that's the situation. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.